So in this video, I'm going to talk about golden milk, mainly because it's one of those things that is really easy and it's loaded with nutrients that are good for a number of different things. For one thing, it involves using a non-dairy milk. And in this case, I like to use soy milk because I really recommend some type of organic soy for everybody, about 2 servings a day, because of how it regulates hormones in both men and women. So it regulates testosterone in men and women, which is good for sex drive, and it regulates estrogens in women and balances them out. So this is West Soy, changed their name, now they're called West Life. It is an organic unsweetened soy milk, so it's plain, and so it really lends itself to something like golden milk really easily. I usually like to go ahead and add the turmeric. You can add, for an 8-ounce cup, I would add between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon and a pinch of black pepper. And what that does is it helps you absorb and use the turmeric, which is this beautiful spice. Turmeric is a very high potent anti-inflammatory, but doesn't really get into your system really well and work all that well unless you are using it with a tiny bit of black pepper. And to this, I would then add my spices. So it's going to be usually cinnamon, organic ginger root, and you can add some ground cardamom. You could put star anise, or any other spices that you really like, but the cinnamon and ginger I use all the time. A little bit of vanilla. So about 1/4 teaspoon of each of these, the cinnamon and the ginger root. I would maybe try 1/8 to 1/4 of ground cardamom, and I'd use about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and then sweeten it. Make it a little bit of sweet to your liking. This is a little bit of organic honey. So again, this is going to be an anti-inflammatory drink, but it's also going to help you regulate hormones.